Hey guys, today we are going to be swatching and I'm going to be showing you guys what the Fenty Icon lipstick looks like. So let's get right into it. First of all, I want to show you guys like how to use this. I feel like a lot of people don't know how. Like I saw that Fenty even made like a little tutorial video on like how to do it. I feel like a lot of people are confused, but when you first get your package, it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna have the lipstick. So what you do is you take the bullet part, I guess the case part, and you go like this, and then you'll have this part that comes out. And this is the part the lipstick goes into. So you'll take your lipstick and see how it has a little bottom part. You'll attach it to what looks like the lid of the lipstick, the one that says FB. Attach it to that, click it, make sure you hear the click, and then you insert the bullet into the case facing downwards, and you click it in, and then when you want to use it, you twist it and you pull it out. That's how you use it, that's how you do it. I hope that helped you if you were wondering how to do it. But let's get in with the swatches. I'm going to swatch on my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it to my lips and show you guys what it looks like. So the first shade we're gonna be doing is Sista. This is like the nudie pinky shade. This is just a very beautiful like pinky nudie mauve shade. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, here is Sista. I just think it's so easy to apply. It goes on like a dream. I don't even need to use a lip liner, and I think it's just a perfect like pinky nude shade. And I am just obsessed with it. The next shade we're gonna try out is the shade Major Magnate, and this shade is like a brown, a nudie brown shade, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, that is, oh, that is really pretty. So pretty. Let's put it on the lips. Alright, again, Brianna just did an amazing job. This formula is so creamy, it glides on. You don't even need a lip liner. And it's so pretty, and I just love this color. I love. Last but certainly not least is the MVP. Now I made another video. If you want to watch it, I'll link it up here. I did like a red lipstick makeup look, like kind of like Valentine themed, and so you already know. If you watch that video, you already know my thoughts on this. But we will swatch it out for the sake of this video yet again. I mean, it's to die for, folks. It is simply to die for. Like it is just a beautiful red, and I think it looks great on like all skin tones. Like really hit this at the park. Let's put it on. Here is the red shade, the MVP. Now with this shade, I did have to clean it. I did have to like clean it up a little bit because like with bright shades like this, it is easy. Like it's more noticeable if, you know, it's kind of outside of the line or it kind of smudges up. But even that being said, like for me, somebody who doesn't wear lipsticks very often, like this, the formula is just so buttery and so smooth, so creamy. It's just so easy to apply. And I mean, did you see, or are you seeing what I'm seeing? I just think this is the most beautiful red shade in the world, and I'm so excited to wear this summer. I think it's just gonna be, I'm gonna be a red lipstick girl. Like, that's all I have to say. So anyway, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you at least go buy one of these. I think that it's a really great formula. I think it's a really great product. I think the case is super clever and super cute. And I think everybody should have at least one shade in their makeup arsenal. I think it's just a great product to have. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.